Hello again, guys. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating a realistic TR-801 that I've done some repair work on, and we're just going to run it through a quick test before we send her back. Not much to say about this deck. It's a typical 8-track recording deck with some bells and whistles, so we're going to test her out. We've got some Bonanza guitars on deck. And we'll take a quick look at our meters, make sure we got output on both sides, which we do, of course. Okay, don't need those anymore. Okay, I'm gonna switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, we're at the end of a song, so it's either gonna switch tracks or it's gonna move on to the next song on that track. I'm not too familiar with this tape, so we'll just wait and see. Okay, next song on the same track. So we'll keep switching tracks. Alrighty, so now just to make sure that you can check the speed, we're going to use just to play some very brief excerpts from more familiar material, some Anne Murray on deck, and so now you can, since you know these songs a little bit better, you can check the speed. End of a song there. Well, that's confirms that we've got good playback here, so we're going to go back to the customer. Incidentally, this unit comes from Warwick, right here in Phoenix, Arizona, my home state. He's about an hour and a half north of me. So, no, actually, he's about an hour and a half south of me. I keep thinking that I'm south, but I'm actually north of Phoenix. So, let me get out of here. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This was a realistic TR-801. I obviously have not combed my hair for this video. As I've mentioned before, they're completely unrehearsed with no preparation whatsoever. So they're not going to be like Hollywood productions, meaning that I don't have a makeup artist behind me ready to do my hair, you know, when a commercial break comes on. So, my website's in the description below. My number is 928-533-9666. Thank you so much for watching, listening, and we'll see you next time.